Hey everyone, so today for PE, I figured I would show you how to build an at-home obstacle course. We're only going to use a few different items. You guys can really get as creative as you want with this. I'm just going to show you kind of how I set mine up. All right, I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up, and then I'm going to run through the course and show you like different ways you can kind of set it up and have some fun. You guys can get really as creative as you want with this, and it's just something, everyone can do this because it's just basically stuff you can find around the house that you can use to jump over or run around, things like that, so you can really have a lot of fun with it. All right, so I'll check back in a sec. I'll show you how to set it up. All right, guys, so as you can see, it was super quick and simple to set up. So let me just take you through it. All right, so this is my obstacle course. Yours can look a lot different. They don't have to look the same. All right, I don't know if you can see it or not, but through the ladder, I'm going to do high knees. So I'm lifting my knees up and through the holes. All right, and then when I get to the tires, I'm just gonna jump from tire to tire. Okay, and try to land softly. Whoop. Ooh. It's tough staying balanced. Whoop. Ooh. It's extra hard with this phone in your hand. All right, and then the last one. Oh, I make it over. Okay, now I'm at the pipe. The pipe is gonna be tough because I'm just using this to balance on. All right, so I come over. Ooh, and I'm walking the tight rope pipe. Woo. Woo. I made it, just barely. Okay, so I could run through this over and over again. I can switch it up. I can try to time myself and go as fast as I want. Obstacle courses are great they can build really anything. The military even uses them to train their soldiers to get in shape. It can help with muscular strength. It can help with muscular endurance. It can help with cardiovascular endurance. So you get a lot of benefits from it. See, even just walking through it, I'm kind of breathing a little hard. So yeah, it's good help making us strong. It's good help making our muscles last long, and it's great for our hearts. So you guys can get really creative with this. I know most of my students are way more creative than I am, so you guys can have some fun with this. I am also going to change it up a little bit, and yeah, I'm just going to show a quick video of me going through different variations of an obstacle course. All right, guys. All right, everyone, I'm just going to talk you through how I set it up really quickly. It's super easy. So I just put my ladder down and I spread my tires out, and I'm just going to kind of jump from tire to tire in this version, as you'll see later. So here I go through, jumping around to each tire, and then I balance. Whoops, see, I fall there. I balance on the pipe, use it like a balancing beam, okay? And then I stack my tires up for this next go around. I'm still using the pipe as a balancing beam. I'll go through the ladder. Oh, I'll balance on that. I jump over the tires, balance beam over. All right, now I change my tires up again. I put 2 tires on top of each other. I go through the ladder. I jump. Oh, couldn't make it, so I restart. High step through the ladder, jump on the tire, jump on the other tire, made it that time, and I go over and use the balance beam. Okay, you notice how I'm using the ladder in a lot of different ways. You guys can have fun. Just make sure your parents see that it's safe, and really you can be as creative as you want. I could have gone through a ton of different variations. See there, I hop through my ladder. So the ladder is a fun thing to use as an obstacle, and you can do a lot of different things with it. And then see, I go backwards. See, I'm crawling on the ladder, and then I try to crawl on the balance beam, and that was really hard. I had to use my hand on the ground a lot. All right, everyone, so here's the really cool thing about obstacle course, and which I love about them, is really what it works on really depends on your own obstacle course. So obstacle courses can help build our muscular strength. It can be a cardiovascular exercise, which of course is a heart healthy exercise. It can help improve our balance. It can help improve our muscular endurance. And our own military even uses them to train their soldiers. So really, it's super beneficial. They're a lot of fun, and it's a really fun way to exercise, and it can really, you have control over how you want to set up your own obstacle course, which I really like. So you can add in or do whatever you like with it and really have some fun while getting a great workout in. And what also is super cool about obstacle courses is it's like we're building our own playground right in our backyards. How awesome is that? All right, so that whole time took me about I did mine in about 15 minutes or so. I feel like I had a great workout. I'm breathing a little heavy for sure. I worked on balance. I worked on some core strength, which is my stomach muscles. I worked on I had some good cardiovascular exercise. Remember, again, that's good for our hearts. And I had a little bit of muscle conditioning, muscle strength in there. You guys can, again, you can be as creative with this as you want, and it's always going to be good for you. It can work on totally different things in your body, a whole bunch of different things, not just one thing, which is what's so great about obstacle course. Not only are they fun to make too, so you can add a lot more stuff than I did. I just kind of went and found a few things around the house. You guys can add all sorts of stuff and make kind of your own playground out of it and play around with it, and it's a lot of fun. And if you do make an obstacle course, please send me the pictures or the videos of you guys running through it. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see my Walden students being happy and healthy and getting outside on this beautiful day. All right, guys, take care.